My name is Kiran. I'm studying LKG in
St.
Philomena Group of Institutions, Chandapura.
Kiran, which is our continent?
Asia is our continent.
Which is our planet?
Earth is our planet.
Which is our country?
India is our country.
Which is our state?
Karnataka is our state.
Which is our district?
Bengaluru is our district.
Can you say national symbols?
Yes, ma'am.
Father of the nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
National song?
Vande Mataram.
National emblem?
Lion capital.
National flag?
Tricolor flag.
National flower?
Lotus.
National animal?
Tiger.
National aquatic animal?
Dolphin.
National fruit?
Mango.
National vegetable?
Pumpkin.
National calendar?
Second calendar.
National book?
Bhagavad Gita.
National game?
Hockey.
National currency?
Rupees.
National tree?
Banyan tree.
National river?
Ganga.
Say 8 planets?
8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
Major rivers of India?
Major
rivers of India?
Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Beriyar, Dhamyavarani, Vaidai, Yamuna.
4 Vedas?
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
5 oceans of the world?
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
7 continents of the world?
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
States and capitals?
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Chittanag, Assam, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Jaipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Hyderabad, Nagaland, Korima, Odisha, Puristan, Punjab, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Dandap, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Rappla, Uttarakhand, Telangana, West Bengal, Kolkata.
9 union territories?
9 union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Tamil Nadu, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
Neighboring countries of India?
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Epics of India?
Epics of India: Ramayana, Mahabharata.
Fundamental rights of India?
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights against deportation, rights to constitutional freedom of religion, pension and education rights, rights to constitutional damages.
Presidents of India?
Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Jagir Hussain, B.V. Giri, B.D. Jatti, Srinivasa Jeevareddy, Jayasri, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, Shankar Narayan Sharma, K. Narayana, A.T.J. Atakala, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Narayan Kovind, Draupadi Murmu,
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India,
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru, Jalbert Shastri, Sushanaranta, India Gandhi, Morani Jason, Jalasi, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Petrasi, Chandrasekhar, Veera Mistry Mara, Krishna Mistry Vaspa, H.D. Devegowda, Vinay Kumar Gujarat, Amonti, Narendra Modi.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Minister of Karnataka, Chandraseka Reddy, Kengaramantaya, Manita Manjappa, H.D. Ningappa, B.D. Jatti, Jeevan
S.R. Kanti.
S.R. Kanti, B.N. Party, G.N. Jaras, A. Gundura, Anna Krishna Yakade, S.R. Bombay, S. Bangarappa, Anippa Moli, H.D. Devegowda, Vinay Kumar,
H. Patel.
J.S. Petal, S.N. Krishna, J.S. Rajiv Gandhi,
Sadananda Gowda.
N. Savantagowda, Janet Shatta, Siddharamaya,
H.D. Kumaraswamy.
H.D. Kumaraswamy, Binasenappa, Masuja Bombay, Siddharamaya.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India, Assami, Bengali, Buddha, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka, Bangalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Abba, Belagavi, Chamanchingara, Chikkamangaluru, Chikkaballapura, Chikkadurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwada, Gadaga, Hasan, Haveri, Atpurki, Kodagu, Kolara, Koppala, Manja, Mysore, Amangla, Daishu, Shumuka, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yalkiri.
Borders of India.
Borders of India, Mast, Himalayas, Fat, Indian Ocean, East Bay, Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Indian festivals.
India festivals, Janasatuti, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas Eve, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
National festivals.
National festivals, Janasatuti, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 1st, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India, Dubavaki Deshmukh, Anna Sahali, Suparna Kukari, Ittunani Channamma, Akka Bukka, Jasanoria, Kempin Gowda.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists, Srinivasa Ramanujan, Srini Raman, Honi Rama, Janati Shanapa, Meghantu Saksa, Satanda Nama, Suga Sanga Sanga Shekhar, Ishtavakaga, Angu Kokutkal, ATJ Atakalam.
Religions of India.
Religions of India, Nana Pasan, Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance form of India, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Setalia, Assam, Melchizedek, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, New Zealand, Yक्षगाना, Karnataka.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India, Bharatanatyam,
Gomateshwara,
Gomateshwara Tajpuri, Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Golden Temple, Konark Temple, Sun Temple in Odisha, Nalanta University in Bihar, Khajuraho Group of Monuments in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
7 words with the keyboard.
Seven wonders of fever, Asia, the Great Wall of China, Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Easter Colosseum, Pesta, Golden Teacher, Pizza.
18 Puranas.
18 Puranas, Agni Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Brahmanda Purana, Brahma Vedanta Purana, Garuda Purana, Bhuma Purana, Linga Purana, Makanaya Purana, Masya Purana, Narada Purana, Pabba Purana, Sanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Vamana Purana, Pabba Purana, Mahapurana, Vayu Purana, Vishnu Purana.
Indian dynasties.
India dynasty, Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Hoysala dynasty, Nagugutu dynasty, Oman dynasty, Vardhan dynasty.
Helpful doctors.
Helpful daughter, general president, pediatrician, children president, urologist, now specialist, dentist,
gynecologist,
female specialist,
psychiatrist,
mental illness,
nephrologist,
eye specialist,
nephrologist,
kidney specialist,
pulmonologist,
heart specialist,
pulmonologist,
Mr. organs,
oncologist,
cancer specialist,
ophthalmologist,
bone specialist,
ophthalmologist,
eye specialist,
dermatologist,
skin specialist,
gastroenterologist,
stomach specialist,
cardiologist,
heart specialist,
orthopedic,
bone specialist,
dentist,
teeth specialist.